Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the KCGC TV. Myself Naresh, Assistant Professor of Law, Khalsa College of Law, Amritsar. Today we are going to discuss our new topic, taxation law in India. Taxation in India is defined in the two way. That is, you can say kinds of taxes. In India, taxation law is applicable in two way, or we can say that government adopt two method of taxation: direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes means which are paid by the person directly to the government, and the person paying tax cannot shift the burden on the same some other person. In the case of direct taxes, the impact or immediate effect are on the same person, for example, income tax and estate tax or wealth tax. Whereas indirect taxes, the taxpayer pays indirectly, the person paying the tax recover it from the another person. Therefore, in the case of indirect taxes, impact and incidence are on two different persons. For example, VAT, GST, custom duty, central excise tax, and other service tax or sale tax. Now, what is the constitution of validity of the taxes? How can a constitution define to impose the tax on the income of the person? Which article define the impose of taxation? That is Article 265, Article 246 and Article 245. It provide the provision that any authority which impose taxes by central government or as well as state government. The tax defined under constitution, or you can say it is a tax structure in India, was based on three lists which are given in the Schedule 7 of the Constitution of India, which came into effect on 26 Jan 1950. List 1 define union list, list 2 state list, and list 3 concurrent list. Union list, under entry number 82, income tax define, and entry number 83 define custom duty, entry number 84 define union excise duty, and state list entry number 34 betting and gambling. Entry number 46 also define agriculture income, and at entry number 51 define state excise duties. And whereas last one is concurrent list, entry number 17A, which deals with forest, and entry number 25, which deals with education. Now we are going to discuss about direct taxes, that is called Income Tax Act 1961. The provision of income tax are contained in the Income Tax Act 1996, which extend to the whole of India and become effective from 1st March 1962. Important definition of this section are section 224, income, person, assessee and assessment year. Now we are discuss income tax, which is defined about the income. Very surprisingly, or you can say very strange, the term income is defined, but there is nobody define what the meaning of tax. Tax never defined in Income Tax Act. Tax means financial charge. tax is the source of income of every government, or you can say it's a revenue which can generate by the person of their income, and through revenue every country can build infrastructure, and through revenue every government can run. So income tax define the term income. The income means any profit or gain. There are five head of income, or you can say there are five sources of income a person can generate or incur their income. First, salary, house property, second one is house property, third is capital gain, and fourth one is PGPP, and fifth one is other sources. So if a person doing a job, he earns salary, then income tax will be charged upon their salary. If a person not doing a job but their source of income is rental income, then different head will be applicable, or income tax can charge their taxes on rental income. If a person having an income from other sources, or you can say from capital gain, then such income will be taxed according to their head. If a person is doing profession or any business, then such income will be charged on different head of source of income, and rest is income will be taxable in the form of another head, that is last one, or you can say that is a residuary head. Residuary head means other sources. If four head of income is not identified, then other sources, if a person is earning such kind of income, maybe that income will be generated from any lottery, maybe such income will be come from the interest on any FD, then that income will be taxed by income tax on the fifth head source of income. So that is the source of income which is defined. And now we are going to discuss our new topic, that is called residential status of the assessee. So residential status means physical presence of the person. A person having two kind of status. A person may be resident of India or non-resident of India. So how can we identify the person may be a non-resident of India or resident of India? There is two conditions which we have to fulfill, that is the basic condition and additional condition. So in the case of residential status, we have to identify that a person should be a resident, then basic condition must be fulfilled. If a person is ordinary resident, that is different thing, then additional condition will be fulfilled. So basic condition define stay of a person or staying of a person physical presence in Indian territory. Person should be staying in India, must be present in 182 days during previous year, and if they cannot fulfill the condition of 182 days, then person should be fulfill 60 days during previous year and 365 days during 4 previous year. So this is the basic condition which have to fulfill by the person if we identify that a person should be resident of India. Then if such condition is not fulfilled, then a person be treated as a non-resident of India. The another one condition is additional conditions. If a person is a resident, then check additional condition to know whether he is a ordinary resident or not ordinary resident. The person was resident in India must fulfill 2 out of 10 previous year. A person should be resident in India. If such condition is not fulfilled, then we have to go on another condition. A person must be stay 730 days during 7 previous year. If such condition is fulfilled, then a person should be considered as a resident of India. If both the above condition is satisfied, then a person is treated as a ordinary resident, else it is treated as a non-ordinary resident of India. So important point must be discussed about stay. Why we identify the status of the person, why we are identify the staying period of the person, because stay here means physical presence of the person. Stay at the same place or continuous stay is not necessary. Means a person if residing in Punjab, then it will be considered as a stay physical presence in India. If a person is residing in Bangalore or any place Mumbai, then it also consider as a physical presence of the person. So stay in a territorial water of treated as a stay in India. It means there are territorial jurisdiction which is defined under different law, but a person if stay in water, then it also means physical presence of the person in territorial water. So domicile hardly matter. If a person is domiciled in India, it also means that person staying or physical presence in India. So students, this is our topic of residency status of India. We are again next time we will definitely meet to discuss another topic on salary, that is called income from salary. So stay tuned to KCGC TV. Thanks a lot.